this is Jama. I'm a part of Sephora Squad, coming to you from my home studio in Miami. Today in this video, I would like to introduce you with my body care. We have a saying in my country that our body is a sacred place, so you need to take care of your sacred body. So here we go. I'm a new mom. I have a 4-month-old baby. Honestly, I started doing this body care routine just recently, actually when I just found out I'm pregnant and I'm gonna have a baby. So first thing I was thinking, oh my god, my sister has stretch marks, my family has stretch mark history, so I was like, I'm gonna have a stretch marks for sure. But just to prevent and help out to firm the skin, it's never hurts. So I started doing my research, how to prevent stretch marks, how to do hydration, how to keep your skin firm and nicely. So I did my own research and I came up with this routine and I came up with these products, and I would say thanks to these products and thanks to this routine I didn't have any stretch marks. So I had no stretch marks. My skin feels so firm. Even now, baby's not here anymore, I feel like my body's still firm and nice and hydrated and supple, and I think it's because of this routine particularly. So let's get started. I will explain step by step what I do. So step 1, before going to have a shower, I always do dry brushing over my body. The particular one I use, it's a GOOP. I really like this brush. Dry brushing actually is really nice. What it does is gives you intensive exfoliation on your skin, invigorate your skin, smooth your skin. Also, every time you use it, you're gonna feel like it's gonna give you a tingling sensation. I feel like it's gonna wake all the cells up. You can feel tingly. So it's great not only for the surface of the skin like exfoliation, but also it's good for firmness of the skin. You're supposed to use this on a dry skin. People say you can use your oil, but I use this on a dry skin before going to a shower. I apply this over my skin, mostly brushing towards your heart. They say the way how your heart goes, how the blood goes, blood flow goes. I remember my first 5 times using it, it actually was kind of uncomfortable using this dry brush. I was like, oh my god, it's kind of hurts. But I promise you, after 5 time use, max of 5 time use, you will get used to it. You're gonna start enjoying actually the dry brushing. So after dry brushing, you go to a shower. In the shower, I like to use my favorite body wash at this moment. It's a Nécessaire body wash. One of the reasons I purchased it just because I was pregnant and I needed something fragrance free, because for some reason every smell of the body wash was just killing me, like seriously. And I think that's one of the main reason I bought it. But then later I started buying it just because of the feeling. Every time it lathers up on your skin, it feels so soft. And what I like about it, it feels like oil, but which is washes off easily without stickiness, without feeling oily. I don't know how to explain it. It lathers up super nice on the skin and skin feels so nice. And it has a niacinamide, and I love niacinamide on my skin. So niacinamide, what it does is balances the pH balance on your skin, feels super supple and hydrated, and it nourishes your skin too. The next product I use in the shower, it's actually body scrub. It's one of my favorite body scrubs. It's a microdermabrasion body by Dr. Brandt. It's nothing almost left in here because I need to buy another one. But this is one of my favorite scrubs just because it feels so good instantly. A lot of the body scrubs I've tried, you feel the scrub, but the smoothness doesn't come right away. For some reason, you will feel it after you're getting out of the shower, when you're applying a lotion. I'm like, oh, okay, it's working. But with this one, I feel like it's a chemical exfoliator. Dr. Brandt is #1 always about exfoliation. So every time you use it, especially if you have bumps around your arms, this is great. I got rid of my bumps around my, right here. I don't know how to say it in English, but the bumps disappeared thanks to this scrub, and I think it's must have. And this was one of my routine when I was doing this everything, and I think it helped a lot with my firmness of my skins. So then after getting out of shower, first thing first, like #1 tip you must know, while your body's still damped, still a little wet, what you need to do is apply oil. because oil absorbs on the skin while your body's still a little wet with water. On a dry skin, it's gonna kind of sit on your skin, I feel like. So that's why you must apply this on a wet skin. So for the body oil, I love using lately Moroccan body oil. It's actually dry body oil. That's my favorite part. Smells delicious, absorbs really fast, doesn't feel sticky. I love using this, and when you spray it, it goes super light, like, and it's enough. And it feels super nice. It dries out super nicely. And oh, it smells so good. After applying oil, you know what I like to do? I like to play with this Super Awesome Cool by Sephora collection. It's a body massager. Helps the skin appear smoother. You can use daily. Gently roll to the tool with a light pressure across area that need the most attention. Typically the back of the thighs, underarms, above. And to seal what I did already, which is oil, I like to apply lotion. For the lotion, I like to use, of course, Nécessaire as well. I feel like Nécessaire becoming one of my favorite body line, honestly, because I've been using it lately. I'm talking a lot lately. I'm like, okay, I guess I found my favorite. So I'm using right now Nécessaire the body lotion. This one is fragrance free. I'm still using this since I'm pregnant, because little goes a long way, but I like to use a lot. But still, this one is fragrance free. If you're pregnant, this is gonna work perfectly. They have different smells. They have eucalyptus as well. They have also sage smell, I think. Yes, you can check it out in Sephora.com. I will put the description down below. I recommend you don't have to start your body care when you just get pregnant or something. You can start it now, just because our body is like our face too. It needs some hydration. That's what I realized. I wish I started even more earlier, because I can tell the difference on my body, on my suppleness of the elasticity of the skin. So I definitely recommend you start doing this routine before you realize it. Even now, what age you are, start now. I promise your body will thank you for that. So yes, I hope you guys liked my video. If you liked it, thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and all the products I used, it's gonna be in the description box. Check it out. Bye!